Som da Massa.
If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. Stop living off your bitch with your broke ass. Get a job, do some work with your broke ass. The nigga at your house right now taking whole bath. Any say he rap, I bet he straight up out of whole bath. STL to Brazil, I'm dope dirty. He be talking like he lit, but we don't know dirty. He a clown, he a fool, like remote curly. And he can't re-up unless you get your check early. You need to fire that nigga, kick his ass out the house, yeah, it's fired ass nigga. Always say he trapped with no fires ass nigga. And he living off of you, you should hire that nigga, yeah. Living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. Now you living off your bitch. Yesterday you a rapper. Yeah, tomorrow you a trapper. Driving E-Vet car, waiting on E-Vet taxes. Damn, every year, yeah, he talking about let me flip that. But every year, yeah, you never get your shit back. And you pay for them purses and them Jordans. He be rocking, damn, baby, is you fucking with it? It's real life and no joke. Baby, come get your bitch, he won't smoke. You pay for that Draco, damn, and his dough. A nigga living off his bitch, that's a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. Get off your ass, little nigga. Get this cash, little nigga. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe. If you living off your bitch, you a hoe.
Som da Massa.
Yeah!
Som da Massa.
DJ Pirata. DJ Pirata e as mais tocadas. DJ Pirata.
Som da Massa.
Yeah!
Som da Massa.
Yeah! DJ Pirata.
som da massa.
DJ Pirata e as mais tocadas. DJ Pirata.
O som da massa.
Yeah! DJ Pirata.
O som da massa.
Yeah!
Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's.
Hey yo, kinfolk, here's another country track. And we back, watch the Bama. Here comes the hammer. In my truck riding high, pontoon in tow, throw the deuce as I ride by. I got my Yeti Coors Light, sold me 4 gallons of shine to them boys just last night. It's a full moon and bright. My girl got the Daisy Dukes on, and you know they're getting tight. And you know it's on the night. I'm gonna kiss her and grab her and lick her and hold her tight. Cause it's what we do, you see. It's just part of being a real mud-loving G.
Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving
Every day it's a new rapper, claiming to be country when they not that. But Bama's here to shut things down, I bet we stop that. My pedigree is proven, you can just check the history. And why I keep the heat on my seat won't be a mystery. Born and raised way down south, it's in my bloodline. Never get the liquor, no blues, we make our own wine. Known to run the truck line, take a pole to a hole. Throw a buck in the truck, blow the clip, let it go. Dip it low, ride it high, grab a beer, light the fire. Stack it up, let it burn, grab a cup, fill it up. I'm flattered that you try to be us, but you just can't be. Cause these boys here, real mud loving G's.
DJ Pirata.
Real mud loving G's.
O som da massa.
Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's. Real mud loving G's.
O som da massa.
Yeah! DJ Pirata e as mais tocadas. DJ Pirata.
Nothing more than a backstab, but every time I turn
Massa.
DJ Pirata e as mais tocadas. DJ Pirata.
O som da massa.
DJ Pirata.
DJ and MC.
Som da Massa.
DJ Pirata.
Som da Massa.
You see, I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars that definitely ain't the whack. I got a Lincoln Continental and a sunroof Cadillac. So after school, I take a dip in the pool, which really is on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Knicks play basketball. Hear me talk about checkbooks, credit cards, more money than a sucker could ever spend. But I wouldn't give a sucker or a bum in the rucker, not a dime till I made it again. Everybody go home, tell, motel, what you gonna do today? Say I get a fly girl, gonna get some spank and drive off in the
Som da Massa.
Go home, tell, motel, holiday in. Say if your girl starts acting up, then you take her friend, Master G, and my mellow. It's on you, so what you gonna do? Well, it's on and it's on, it's on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I said the M-A-S-T-E-R-A-G with the double E. I said I go by the unforgettable name of the man they call the Master G. Well, my name is known all over the world for all the foxy ladies and the pretty girls. And I'm going down in history as the baddest rapper that ever could be. Now I'm feeling the highs and you feeling the lows. The beat starts getting into your toes. You start popping your fingers and stomping your feet and moving your body while you sitting in your seat. You say damn. You start doing the freak and say damn. Right out of your seat, then you throw your hands high in the air. You're rocking to the rhythm, shake it derriere. You're rocking to the beat without a care. With the show shot MC 40 affair. Now I'm not as tall as the rest of the gang, but I rap to the beat just the same. I got a little face and a pair of brown eyes. All I'm here to do, ladies, is hypnotize. Singing on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I'm singing on and on and on and on. Like a hot butter pop, the pop, the pop, the be pop, the pop top. They don't dare stop, come alive, y'all. Give me what you got. I guess by now you can take the hunch and find that I am the baby of the bunch. But that's okay, I still keep in stride. Cause all I'm here to do is just wiggle your behind. Singing on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I'm singing on and on and on and on. I rock, y'all. I throw it on the floor. I'm gonna freak you here, I'm gonna freak you there. I'm gonna move you out of this atmosphere. Cause I'm one of a kind and I'll shock your mind. I put the it's in your behind. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, girls, and get on the floor. Come alive, y'all. Give me what you got, cause I'm guaranteed to make you rock. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me one the mic, what are you waiting for?
I said a hip, hop, hit it, and hit it to the hip, hip, hop, and you don't stop. The rock it to the bang, bang, boogie. Say up, jump the boogie, the rhythm to the boogie, the beat. Skiddly bee bop, we rock, Scooby-Doo. Well, guess what? America, we love you because you rock and roll with us so much so you can rock to your 101 years old. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but we're like hot butter on our breakfast toast. So rock it out, a baby bubba to the boogie, the bang bang, the boogie to the beat, beat. So unique, come on everybody, you dance to the beat.
O som da massa.
Yeah!